Generative AI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, such as text, images, music, videos, or even code, based on the data it has been trained on. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on analyzing data or performing specific tasks, generative AI is designed to generate original and creative outputs that mimic human-like creativity. Here's how it works. Generative AI uses machine learning models, often based on neural networks, to analyze patterns in vast amounts of data. One popular approach is the use of transformers, the architecture behind tools like OpenAI's GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. These models are trained on large datasets of text, images, or other media, enabling them to learn context, structure, and relationships within the data. For example, a text-based generative AI, like ChatGPT, can write essays, answer questions, or create stories based on prompts. Similarly, an image-generating AI, like DALL-E, can produce artwork or design images based on textual descriptions. Let's break it down with an example of text generation. Suppose you input the prompt, write a story about a robot exploring Mars. The generative AI analyzes the input, identifies relevant patterns from its training data, and creates an original story about a robot adventuring on the Martian surface. The output is not copied, but rather synthesized based on learned patterns. Generative AI is used in many fields, including content creation, writing articles, generating art, or composing music; entertainment, developing characters, scripts, or game environments; healthcare, designing new drugs or creating medical imaging models; education, personalized learning tools or automated tutoring; business, summarizing reports, creating marketing materials, or generating customer support responses. While generative AI offers incredible possibilities, it also has limitations and risks. For instance, bias in data. If the training data contains biases, the outputs may reflect them. Misinformation. AI can generate convincing but incorrect or misleading content. Ethical concerns. Issues like deepfakes and copyright infringement have raised questions about responsible use. Despite these challenges, generative AI continues to evolve, transforming how we create, work, and interact with technology. In summary, generative AI is a cutting-edge technology that creates new content based on learned patterns from data. It powers tools for writing, designing, problem-solving, and more, offering both exciting opportunities and challenges. Its applications are reshaping industries and unlocking creativity in ways once thought impossible.